Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we're opening up a super brand new subscription. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Okay guys, super excited. I'm finally excited to share this one with you. So this month, well, bi-monthly, we're opening up their bi-monthly subscription. This is from Tea, Pray, and Love. This is a bi-monthly subscription. For those of you who don't know, tea, if you love tea or if you love self-care, this is the description. This is the subscription for you. Of course, as I always do, I'll have the latest coupon code in the description box below with their information so you guys can check it out. This is their premier box. I know that they have a smaller box. I can't think off the bat the name of that one, but this is their top box. And I believe that one is, I'm not even gonna give a price because I don't want to give the wrong information, but I'll have all that information in the description box below so you guys can take a look at it. But this is their premier box, and of course the coupon will save you some cash if you want to check it out. But this is like a tea and self-care subscription. I was looking for a tea subscription myself, and I kind of saw a couple other ones, but I kind of didn't want just tea. I wanted things that would be relaxing, and I kind of didn't want to get a whole bunch of different subscriptions. And I found Tea, Pray, and Love, and boom, that was it. I fell in love. So this is what it looks like in the box. This is what I know every theme is different. So again, this is a bi-monthly subscription. So that was another thing. I don't drink so much tea that I thought I needed to get like a monthly subscription, but I do drink tea. So I definitely wanted to get something that would help me get my tea on. So this is what the box looks like inside, and it looks like that's their sticker there. So that's what it looks like. I like to be transparent and show you guys everything. Let me take a look to see what's in here. Oh, well, here we go. You guys wanted a coupon code, so they did give me a coupon code, so I'll put that in the description box below. Now, the cool thing about this coupon code is you get 40% off your first premier box. So that is saving big money. That's almost 50% off. So I'll put that in my blog and in the description box below. And I'll put the links down below so you guys can check that out. I didn't realize that was going to be in here, but you guys can use that there. Okay. So there looks like there's a coupon, and it says, "We hope you enjoyed your customized wellness." Oh, sorry, I moved you guys. Your wellness. Okay. So it says when you guys sign up for this subscription, if you share your photos or unboxings on Instagram and you tag them, you'll get $5 off your next box. So that's cool. So if you subscribe, you can get $5 off your next box. Okay, so this gives me a full breakdown, which I love when subscription boxes do that. And they give you a full breakdown of all the products in the box and the retail value. So they did that. So boom, we have that, and I'll put that to the side. So let me see. So the first thing I have here is from Innisfree Special Care Foot Mask. So that is what this one is. So remember, this is a self-care box. So this one is $5. This is another Korean beauty fave. This special care mask makes feet look healthy by moisturizing and nourishing the skin. So that's $5 there. So that is cool. And in the winter, I don't know about you guys, let me know in the comment section below. In the winter, my feet get cold, not only cold, but they always get cold, but they always get dry. So anything, anything that can help me in the winter, I'm totally down for. So this is Gold Mask, Gold Essence. You guys follow my channel, you guys know I love masks. So this was like perfect for me. So this is Gold Essence, Gold Mask. This helps for elasticity and nutrition. So that is what that looks like there. And this one, let me see if this is here. I don't see that one here. So it does say more in the details of the box. So it does say more, so maybe that's the more. So with masks, I love them. They always have the information on the back. Usually put them on for like 15-20 minutes and you're off. Okay, so the next item we have here is, what is this? This is a Bohemian Bath Bomb. That is so weird that it's in there, right? So this one, and I'll open it up in a second. Where are you? Where are you? Okay, this is Cleanse Gourmet Bohemian Luxe Bath Bomb. This is for $9. So let me take it out so you guys can take a look. This is actually, this is funny. Well, not funny, but it's cute. You ever seen those back in the day Victorian, those Victorian when they have to like burn the, I don't know what this is called. They burn it and that seals the letter. That's actually what that was. So it came right off. So that was cool. So this is what the bath bomb looks like here. And then this says, it was kind of cool though that how they had it in this little packaging here. So that is pretty cute. I'm actually gonna leave it in the packaging also because I think it looks cute. So I'm gonna put that back in there and we'll leave it like that. Okay, so that's what that looks like here. And then let me just read you guys what this says here. So you guys, that's the bath bomb. So I'm gonna keep it in there. This says, Cleanse Gourmet Bohemian Luxe Bath for $9. This large luxe bath bomb smells so amazing, blended with fresh French lavender, jasmine, absolute virgin coconut oil, plant dyed with organic beetroot powder, and topped with dried botanicals. Packaged in a clear box with wax seal on top. That's what it was. It was wax seal. I just can't get my brain around that. On top, 100% botanicals, plant dyed, and non-toxic, no synthetic ingredients. So that is super cute. I love the packaging on that one with the wax on top. It reminds me of like back in the day stuff. Okay, so the next item we have here is, so this is the purpose of the box. This is their tea. So that is what that looks like. This is from Loose Leaf Tea Company. This is tea for the senses. This is Egyptian chamomile. So that's what that looks like. This is featured at $7. From the owner, my story takes place in the hills of Central Virginia, where I blend handcrafted tea in a vintage Airstream. In the summer months, you'll find my daughter Maddie by my side. As Maddie returns to college, my husband Kevin lends a hand. My days with a cup of hot tea and a good book, relaxing with my animals and being thankful for the life I live. So that's super cool. And I'm glad that they found like little companies where they can feature. That's super cool. I love those because a lot of big companies are always out there, but it's hard to find those little companies. So I appreciate that. And then the next item we have here is, and let me just make sure I see what this is. What is this? Oh, I was looking at the wrong thing, that's why. This is from Zoet Bath Latier. This is a rose, geranium, and citrus body souffle. So that's what that looks like here. This is a good size. This is valued at $24. That's crazy. This body souffle is a light, fluffy, non-greasy, and super hydrating body cream made with cocoa and mango butter to soften and regenerate, and calendula to soothe the skin. So this herbaceous and clean scented essence oil blend calms the spirit. All you had to say was mango, and you guys had me at mango. And it actually has a safety seal, and I don't even need to open it because I smell the mango right there. So I'm gonna leave that sealed just so I can finish the body butter I do have. But this is a good size, and again, these are natural products. So I don't know if you guys have ever gone to Whole Foods, those things are super expensive. So if you can get those items in a subscription, why not? All right, and the next one, this box, I have a lot of stuff to go through. So this is it's not in here. I don't see this one listed, but it looks like it's a lip balm. So, and it smells really good. So what flavor is this? Do I see? And it's probably my fault because I can't read. Well, I can read, but I can't see. I can't see, Lynette. So it's a lip balm. So that's what that looks like there. You guys can probably read it better than I. Sorry. You guys can probably see and I'm definitely gonna put it in the description box below, but that's what the word is, or that's the name of the company. I should have worn my glasses, but it is what it is. And then, okay, this is why I like this box, because it's super, super different. So let me see. So of course, this is a tea subscription. So what do you need for tea? You need a cup. So you have your little mug here, and this is Maya Ming Designs. This is really, really pretty. You can see her name on the bottom. This is very unique. So this is definitely different. This is a Maya Ming Designs white porcelain teacup. This has a value of $10, inspired by the ceramic of Eva Cecil. The Eva tea set, which includes this teacup, embodies her design philosophy of attracting the hand as well as the eye. Simple, elegant, and delightful to handle. The Eva tea set won the 2014 Golden A Design Award for tableware, available in glossy white with silver plating. So this is really, really pretty. It's different. See, that's what I love. I love different items, not like the regular teacups that you just get. Those are definitely different. So let me just put this to the side, all the plastic. And then we have one more thing. So hello, super packed. Okay, two more things. So we have a bookmark here, and this says stop, breathe, enjoy, repeat. Who doesn't need that in their day? So that is really, really pretty. And then we have, what is this? O's Little Guide to Big Questions. This is from the editors of O magazine. This says, ask the right questions and answer will always reveal themselves. Oprah Winfrey. Okay, so this one has a value of $17.99, a thoughtful and provocative collection of personal essays. O's Little Guide to Big Questions highlight the wisdom to be gained from engaging with life's deepest mysteries. So that is cool. Okay, so now I have to dive deep into a book. All right, so that's what the tea is for. Okay, so let us do a recap and see what all we got in this box. I'm gonna be very careful because we do have that teacup. I'm just gonna put it up, but not put it in the box because I'm afraid I will drop it. So first thing we mentioned, we have the O's, the editors of O magazine, O's Little Guide to the Big Questions, so that we have that. Then we have the teacup, and I'll put the value if you guys missed anything. We'll put the breakdown of all the products in the description and blog below so you guys can further check that out. But we have that teacup, and then we have, of course, our teas. So we have that, and then we have our body souffles so we can be super comfy, relaxed. And then what's with relaxing when you don't take a bath? So we have a bath bomb there. So I'm trying to put that in there. So we have that bath bomb just to relax. We have, of course, who doesn't need natural lip balm? You can always use another lip balm. It's winter. We need a lot. Okay, and then we also have our bookmark, which I also almost forgot. And then we also have our 2 masks for relaxing, super mega relaxing. So we have our gold mask with gold essence. We have that. And then we also have our foot mask. So with that being said, I will definitely give you guys the full total breakdown in the description or my blog, one or the other. So you guys, I can just, looking at the totals here, you guys know just with the book alone, the book was $17.99. So just with the book, you're getting the value halfway of this box. So what did you guys think? Have you guys ever tried this subscription box? Tea, Pray, Love, that's the name of it. Have you guys ever tried that? This is my first box, and I'm definitely looking forward to my next box. Again, this is a bi-monthly subscription, so they give you like lots of goodies based on a certain theme. I say I would definitely get it. And if you guys want to try it, thankfully, Tea, Pray, Love gave me, super grateful, they gave me that coupon code that saves you 40%. So that will be in my blog, so you guys can check that out. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.